Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. This is the 40 question challenge. Now, I wasn't tagged in this, I tagged myself. And you might be thinking, well dude, Mark, this is an outdoor video, what the hell, downvote. And the thing is, I thought about that. And so here's the thing, today is November 2nd. Is it? Yeah, November 2nd, so it's a Monday. My day off. I'm going to be uploading this in 2 days on Wednesday. Excuse me. I normally upload Tuesdays, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, so this isn't really part of my regular outdoor video upload. This is kind of a bonus video. But I kind of like videos that you get to know your YouTube person a little bit more than just, you know, being out camping, making fires, showing knives, doing this, doing that, yada yada yada. So that's why I decided to do this. You know, some of you might be interested, some of you might not care. Sorry, it's like my 6th video and getting a little hoarse. Alright, let's dive right into it. Do you like blue cheese? No. Coke or Pepsi? I would prefer Pepsi, but my favorite is Diet Dr. Pepper or Monster Energy. In a relationship? No. Whiskey, tequila, or vodka? None. I don't drink. Hot dog or cheeseburger? Bacon cheeseburger. I'm adding the bacon. Favorite food? Bacon. Meat of some kind, or bannock, which I just got done eating and was great. What do you drink in the morning? I've been drinking a whey protein drink in the morning, mixed with 1 banana, blueberries, 2 scoops of mix, 1 cup of sugar-free almond milk, and 2 cups of tea. And then I try not to eat anything until about lunch. So that's all I have and then I drink a Monster Energy. Can you do 100 push-ups? I don't think I could do 10, to be honest. I'm really out of shape and you know, your fat holds you down. Although I really should be working out, but you know, who has time? Favorite season? It's hard to pick just one. I like it when it's not raining. So spring, summer / fall. Although I have been out in the rain, I just don't prefer it. Favorite hobby? The outdoors. Do you have any tattoos? I do. I was young, and they're just, I don't know if you can even see them. It's like a dot, and like, it was supposed to be a cross, but it didn't turn out. I was 16. Feels like forever ago. I'm 47 now, so, yeah. Do you wear glasses? I'm supposed to be wearing glasses. I just couldn't afford them, to be honest. Do you have any phobias? Forgot to look that up. I think that's a fear of something. I'm actually pretty scared of bears. Which ironically, I'm out in the outdoors and I'm scared of bears. Any nicknames? Eat carbs. Favorite candy / sweets? Gotta give it up for peanut butter cups. Those are awesome. Not awesome for the belly, but... do you believe in ghosts? I don't, because there's never any decent proof. And seeing some blur on the screen, you know, halfway across the room to me is not proof. I don't buy it. Biggest downfall? I would have to honestly say myself. You know, doubt, lack of confidence, inability to think that I can go do it. Rain or snow? I would take snow over rain. Do you have any piercings? I used to have an earring, but right when I got it, I got a new job and they said no piercings, so I had to take it out and the hole grew in. So, kind of too bad. My age, 47. Number 21, French fries or onion rings? French fries, crinkle cut are my favorite. Although I do really like those little shoestring ones if they're done well. And I do like onion rings, but only if they're made at Red Mill in Seattle. They make the best onion rings. It's like the batter they put on them is like a chicken fried steak batter. freaking rock. That's like the exception to the rule. 22, do you have any kids? I do not. 23, favorite color? That's tough because it kind of varies. Blue, black, or green, just depending. I mean, I'm wearing a blue shirt, black hat. I like blue though. Can you sing? No. Not at all, really. Can you whistle? Yes. Where were you born? I was born in Seattle, Washington. So I'm a Washington State native. One of the few left. Do you have any siblings? Yes, I have an older brother. Can you cook? Yes, I can. I'm no chef, but I make do. Can you swim? Yes. Are you religious? Truthfully, no. Shower or bath? Shower. But I do like a soak in a hot tub every now and then. If my unit had one, but I don't think we do. Or it's not working. Big city or out in nature? I actually kind of like both. I mean, both have their advantages. The big city has, you know, restaurants, and you can get a burger anytime you want. And in nature, I like it 50-50. I like to get away from the woods, and I also like going home and just sitting on the couch and chilling. Are you a good friend? I think so, but I'm a real POS about calling or messaging or keeping in touch. I get sun's creeping on me. Have you ever broken a bone? No, I have not. Knock on wood. I need some wood to knock on. I have had some really bad sprains, like my ankle. Just, you know, foot went like this, and I hit the ground hard, and I hurt like hell. A couple times I've done that. Just because I'm klutz. How many TVs do you have? I have one. So I live alone. So, and I only have, it's out in the living room. I have a 52-inch TV. I don't have TV service. I basically just stream everything online. Because I don't like watching ads. Because they repeat every commercial break. Like, we just saw this ad. Why am I seeing it again? So, worst pain ever, broken heart. That's tough because, you know, you get an earache. I've had ear infections that were pretty painful. But I think broken heart probably the bit worst. If you ever saw Jaws and he like, right here, he's like, oh, so-and-so broke my heart. Do you like to dance? No. Do you like to camp? Yes. Are you weird? I guess that's really up to the other person. So, tag nominates 6 people. I couldn't think of anybody to tag on this, so I'm just going to leave it open. So if you want to do this, great. I couldn't think of anybody else who probably would want to do this. Anyway, I'm gonna copy paste all the questions down in the description, so you can just, all I did is I just copied it and emailed it to myself, and when I was at work I just printed it out and then answered all the questions so I wouldn't forget to answer. So hope you enjoyed the video. Get a little peek inside my personal life-ish. If you have any further questions, feel free to ask them in the comments. I'm not going to shy away from any questions. And I'll catch you on the next video. Have a good one.